Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can apply coupon on Shein. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, open up your Shein app and then we're going to be going to the shop for now, because this is how the interface is going to look like. I'm going to be guiding through the steps, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now from over here, you're going to switch to your cart, and then you will find your product and checkout option at the bottom. Go ahead, tap on the bottom right checkout. Then the first thing first, you have to add in the shipping address accordingly. Since you can see, my location is Nepal, and the Shein currently does not ship over here in our country, so I won't be able to go through the steps. But once you've added your address and tapped on save, and then you're going to be going to the payment section. There in the payment section, you will have a payment with Apple Pay or any other digital payment method and Visa cards, and then the gift and voucher section. Go ahead, tap on that one, and then you will have this little box where you have to enter a code. Go ahead, check out the coupon that you have received physically. Check out the code from over here, add in the code accordingly, and make sure it's a correct code and not the expired one, and then tap on redeem or apply. Once you have done that, your coupon will be applied to your purchase and it will be redeemed likewise. That is how easy for you to be doing so you can do that and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.